Some parts of why is the sun spotty? Sunspot. This is the sun and this is the sunspot. It will happen when sometimes the sun, the earth and the moon all line up in space. When this happens, the moon shadow fall on the earth, making it dark even if it is daytime. This is called an
Eclipse.
eclipse. This is the eclipse. When the moon shadow fall into it makes eclipse. Look, eclipse. This is the sun and this is the moon. And this is the earth and this is the sun and this is the moon. All line up. When this happens,
Sun,
the sun,
moon,
and
and
the
earth.
earth.
Yan.
When this happens, the moon shadow fall into the earth, making it darker. It is called eclipse.
Very good. Very good. Ang lolang nagturo dyan.
And this happens, the moon shadow fall into the earth, making it darker. That's called eclipse.
Yeah. Okay, basa ulit. Basa. Basa. Ito naman. Ito.
The sun it is a star like all the other in the sky, the night sky, but it is much closer to Earth. The sun is a giant ball of hot glowing gas, and it gives a heart that keeps
Hit that hard. Hit.
heat that keeps the earth warm. It also